Curious about Rent to Buy in Spain? This option lets you rent a property with the possibility to purchase it later. Here's how it works. You rent a property with the option to purchase it later, and part of your monthly rent is credited towards the final purchase price. Contracts typically last 1 to 5 years, giving you time to save, adapt, and decide if the property truly suits your needs. You might pay an upfront option fee, which is usually deducted from the purchase price if you go ahead. This model benefits both tenants and landlords, offering flexibility, a chance to live in the home before buying, and a gradual path to ownership. However, it's important to understand all terms, including maintenance responsibilities and penalties for early termination. Always seek legal advice and do your research to ensure Rent to Buy is the right fit for you.